guys, I just wanted to record a really quick short video on how to tune up a harp. A lot of our buyers and students always kind of have that fear of actually tackling tuning up their harp themselves. So today I just want to kind of demystify it, simplify it and show you how easy it is to do. So all you're going to need is your tuning key, which usually comes with your harp, or a little trick for you is if you're looking for one you can't find one, there's radiator keys work and drum keys work. Same kind of connection at the bottom. That's all you need. You're also going to need a chromatic tuner. So there's one here from Korg, just a Korg CA chromatic tuner. And the difference between a chromatic tuner and a guitar tuner is it tunes up every note rather than just the notes you'd use on a guitar. So you can see that there. That's the kind of display you're going to get, and it's already trying to tune up my voice. And this isn't going to do anything, it's just going to guide you through the process. Another way you can tune up is on your phone. There's a tuner called PanoTuner, and if you can see it there, again, it's tuning up everything. All you just need is a tuner of some sort. Over time you will get better at it by ear, but for now, let's just do it this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tune up my C. So what you're going to do is before you tune it up, especially with a new harp, you're going to just stretch out the string a little bit. So just, not too much, but you're going to just kind of loosen it up a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to trace the C note all the way up to where it's wound at the very top. And then you're going to trace it across. Over time, again, you will get better at this. Trace it across and then put your tuning key onto the actual joint that is linked with your string. So I'm just going to bring this slightly closer so you can see this side. So what I've done is I've traced over the C, and this one right here is my C. I'll actually go down a few notes. I'm going to go down here to my F. So again, trace it across from your F over to the same bar, and you're going to play it. Again, we're going to stretch that out a little bit. Play it. Check what the tuner says. Okay, so we're slightly flat as the tuner is showing us. So we're going to play it again. So what we want to do is that we want to have it on a solid green. So we're going to just slightly to bring it up to up from being flat, you're going to push it away from you. In other words, tightening the string. So now we're too sharp. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull back the string ever so gently. Tiny little movements are going to do the job for this. And we're back again. This should do the job. There we go. Okay, so you just want that solid green, and you're going to go up through each note and do the same thing. So just so you can see again, I was playing the C or the F. You're tracing it up to where the actual string was wound. So that's where it is there. And then you trace it across from there over, and you push it away from you to tighten it and pull it towards you to loosen it. And when I say push it away from you to tighten it you're going to make it sharper, and to loosen it you're going to make it flatter. So if you're in the lower case of the reds, so let's go down one note. So if you're in the flat, you're going to need to sharpen it, so you're going to need to push it away from you. And if you're too sharp, as we're slightly here, you're going to move it back towards you. Okay, so it's literally going to take a little bit of time, but tiny little movements are going to do the job for this. If anyone has any questions, let me know. This is our beautiful Clada emblem green harp, and it's quite a nice tone. And it does stay in tune fairly quickly. Once you get it settled, it does take about, I'd say 3 to 6 months to settle a harp, and that means just keeping it in a moderate temperature, nothing too hot, nothing too cold. If a string breaks, don't panic. I'll do another video on how to change a string. Alright, any questions? Let me know. Thanks.